Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all to another lecture of mathematics. Today we are going to learn about fractions. So, talking about the fractions, what does fraction means? Actually, fraction means parts. And what does half means? A half means 1 out of 2 equal parts. What does half mean? Half means 1 out of 2 equal parts. Okay, fraction means equal parts, or you can say parts, and half means 2 equal parts, and 1 half will be equal to 1 out of 2 equal parts. Okay, just here as you can see, there is a circle, and half of the circle is light blue and half of the circle is dark blue. Not so much dark, but dark. So we can say half circle is light blue and half circle is dark blue. Likewise, we can say half rectangle is yellow, light yellow, and half rectangle is dark yellow. Similarly, we can say half of the parallelogram is light pink and half of the parallelogram is dark pink. Here you can see one half of the circle is green, one half of the rectangle is red, and one half of the stars are gold. So half means 1 part out of 2 parts. So here the one half of the chocolate is being shown, and one half of the rectangle is being colored pink, one half of the triangle is colored green, one half of the biscuit or cookie is being displayed here, and one half of the rectangle is colored yellow. Now talking about the quarter. What does quarter means? Quarter means 4 equal parts. If we divide a shape in such a way that we get 4 equal parts, and if we color one part, it means that one part out of 4 equal parts, and it will be known as a quarter part. Half part means one part out of 2 parts, 2 equal parts, and quarter means one part out of 4 equal parts. Here you can see there is a circle and it has been divided into 4 equal parts. The word equal is here very much important, because all the parts must be equal. If the parts are not equal, then it will not be classified as a quarter part or a half part. Okay, so the parts should be equal. So here you can see the quarter part is being colored dark blue. The quarter part, 1 quarter is colored dark yellow, and 1 quarter is colored dark pink. Now we are going to learn something more about fractions. Here you can see we can not only divide a fraction in not only in only 2 parts or 4 parts, but we can also divide it into many different parts, but the condition is that the parts should be equal. Here you can see that the circle is being divided into 8 equal parts, and here if you observe, 4 parts are being colored and 4 are uncolored, or you can say they are blank. So my dear students, I am going to tell you a trick that how to identify that how many parts are colored or how many parts are total parts. So keep this thing into your mind that the total parts in which a figure is being divided is always the denominator part. There are 2 parts of a fraction. The upper part is known as numerator and the lower part is known as denominator. So the color parts are known as the numerator and the total parts are known as denominator. Here you can see there are 4 colored parts, so it means that the numerator will be 4 and the denominator will be equal to 8. So 4 by 8 is equal to the required fraction, or you can say 4 out of 8 parts are colored. How you will describe the fraction? 4 out of 8 equal parts are colored. Here you can see that there is a circle that is completely filled with color. If I divide the circle or oval you can say it is more like an oval. So if I color half part, it means the fraction will be 1 by 2. Why? Because 1 out of the 2 parts are being colored. And if there are 4 equal parts and 1 part is colored, it means the quarter part is being colored here. And if there are 4 parts and 3 are being colored, so it means that 3 by 4. So the fraction will be 3 out of 4. Now I'm going to show some different fractions here in this slide. First one is there is an oval again, and the oval is being divided into 4 equal parts in all the figures, and how we have to identify the fraction. So in first figure you can see 2 parts are colored, so it means the fraction will be 2 out of 4. In the next picture you can see only 1 part is being colored, so it will be 1 by 4. And the last figure you can see there are 3 parts that are being colored, so the fraction will be 3 out of 4. So here now you have to identify that which fraction is being displayed in these figures. Okay, so first of all you can see there is a circle and it has been it is not filled with colors, so it is blank. In the second picture you can see half of the circle is colored. In the third picture you can see one out of 3 parts is colored. In the next picture you can see 1 out of the 4 parts are colored. Next 1 out of 5 parts are colored. Then 1 out of 6 parts are colored. Next one is 1 out of 7 parts are colored, and last one is 1 out of 8 parts are colored. So now at last I want to share the homework that you have to complete your pages from page number 91 to 100. So all these pages are related to the fractions. I hope you have got the concept of fractions very well, and if you want to ask something, feel free to contact me, or you can comment in below here in the section, and please subscribe my channel, like the video and share it with your friends. We will meet inshallah in our next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.